Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you how to use the Droplet water level measurement device. This device can measure the groundwater level in any borehole. Okay, to open up the device, as you can see, you can press the on and off button once. And after the pressing, you will see that green light is blinking. This will indicate that the device is on. And after 1.5 meter of water depth, this green light will turn into a red light. After opening the device, the next thing we have to do to connect with the mobile application. To do that, use the bullet icon and choose your device. After you will see the connected, take the reference reading. This will compensate the barometric pressure difference in various off locations. Then after take the reference, enter the information as borehole number 1, let's say. Enter the calibration factor and enter the project name. Then, before dropping down the probe, take your final measurements. Okay, now we will measure the water depth and 1, 2 and 3 meters. We can drop our probe. While dropping down our probe, we have to change the depth of the sensor manually. So I will set at 1 meter because our probe will be staying at 1 meter. 1 meter. Okay. The second meter. I am also changing the depth of the sensor. Okay, third meter. Okay. As you can see, this green light has changed to the red light after 1.5 meters. And as you can see, the mobile application also stores the location info to better or have more accurate data management. After you take your final measurements, you can share the data with WhatsApp, email, or etc. Thank you for listening and choosing GeoAnts.